What is up, you guys? This is Sherfit Johnson. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscription, okay? And also hit the bell alert so you know when I'm posting a video. Hello, people. I've been doing really good with posting lately, so if you can go to my channel and go view my videos that you haven't, that would be absolutely amazing. And thank you in advance. Also, if you're not following me on social media like my Instagram, what are you waiting for? Follow me on Instagram, you guys, at Sherfit Johnson. Today, I want to talk to you guys about these box braids. These box braids are super beginner friendly and they go all the way down to my derriere. Like, these box braids are super freaking long, right? And I say these box braids are beginner friendly because I've tried to do long box braids before. I've tried to do box braids before, but I could not grip my hair correctly. And so I'm so glad that whoever came out with the rubber band method did, because I've had these braids in for about 2.5 weeks and they are still like very secured, all because of the rubber band. So if you want to see how I actually did this all by myself, continue watching, because this is exactly what I'm going to show you guys. Let's go. So I've already prepped my hair. It is blow dried. I wanted to start out on stretched hair because I felt like that was going to last me the longest. And I already sectioned my hair. I did most of my head so you guys could see how amazing this rubber band method came out. So for the rubber band method, you basically plait your hair, so part it into square shaped sizes and add a rubber band around it. If you want the edges and the perimeter to be extra looking juicy and luscious, you could add some Eco Styler gel or even edge control and it'll make it sleeker. The hair that I use is this 100% Kankalon Jumbo Braid, and it's from the brand Outre. And the ends come extremely blunt. So right now I'm just taking little pieces of the hair and putting them back together, taking little pieces of the hair and putting them back together. And I do this throughout the whole pack, and this is called stretching and stripping. And this basically just makes the ends not as blunt, and you guys will get to see how blunt the ends are and then what they turn into. So I did want a little color in my hair, so if you guys can see, I did use a brownish color, and I'll put that in the description box. So from the front, you can kind of see me pulling the hair apart and putting it back together, and look at the ends. They don't come out so blunt. And so here we go with portion number 1. The first step is to twist the hair. Of course, you have to grab a small piece. I did grab about 1/4 of a amount. After you twist that section, go ahead and loop it around your hair and braid down like normal, you guys. This is why the rubber band method is so amazing, because you don't have to do the technicals of actually box braiding. You literally just wrap that piece around and use your real hair, your natural hair, like the third leg. There's no splitting. And I would braid down about 3 to 4 times and then start combining the hair. So I'm going to give you guys another demonstration. I do add oil to my hair and also some Eco Styler gel to keep my hair a little bit more sleek and make it combine with the braiding hair more natural. So again, twist the front section and then just wrap it around your hair and just braid down like normal. Like, this is so simple, you guys. I promise. Just try it and you'll be so amazed at how this comes out. So I told you guys I just braided down normal 3 to 4 times, and then I begin mixing my hair with the braiding hair just so I get a little bit more brown and you see less of my black. And if your hair is already black and you're not using color, you can just continue braiding down like normal, but you'll still have to end up sharing some of the hair because you'll run out of your own hair, and of course you'll need more of the braiding hair as you go down. So simply add more product to your hair so your hair can continue to blend with the braiding hair. In total, these braids probably took me about 5 to 6 hours, and I had already prepped my hair the day before. So I would take a day to prep the hair, blow drying it, washing it, and also making the box braid parts. And then another day, go ahead and do your box braids. They really don't take that long. 6 hours is not much. My size braids, I would say, are medium, and I used about 8 to 10 packs of hair. And I did get the hair from my local beauty supply store. It was a $2.99 or $1.99. I can't completely remember. But yes, just continue to braid from the top of your head to the very bottom. This is my hair. I'm all done, and I'm going to do my edges. I just add some Eco Styler gel. You can add whatever type of gel you like to make your edges be on flickety fleek. I would say if I were to do this style again, before I put the rubber bands around the sections, I would have definitely added some gel and some edge control just to make the parts look more sleek than they already are. And that's how a lot of hairstylists actually do. But I didn't want my hair to flake up, and I didn't want to have to take my hair out sooner than necessary just because of all the product buildup on my scalp. And so I wanted my ends to be a little bit wavy, so I braided them at the very tips. And of course, to seal the ends, you have to dip them in steaming hot water. And so for me, I just dip them in, dip them out, dip them in, dip them out, and also hold it there while I'm dipping it in. Once I take that out and I'm finished, I wrap a towel, or you can even grab a t-shirt around the ends of my hair. And guess what, you guys? We're all done. This is now how we achieve our DIY box braids booty length, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you guys so much for coming and watching my channel. Love you much. Until next time. Peace.